How to enable eye tracking on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can enable eye tracking on your iPhone. To enable eye tracking option on your iPhone, firstly open settings. After opening settings on the main page, scroll down slightly. Scroll down until you see this kind of section. On this section, tap on the option accessibility. Now inside accessibility, scroll down and select the option eye tracking. Right now as you can see that the eye tracking option is turned off. To enable eye tracking option, make sure that the option is turned on. Click on the switch icon to turn it on. After that you will see a countdown like this on your screen. This is to testify your eye movement. Simply roll your eyes wherever the dot is placed. Make sure that you do this correctly. If you don't do this correctly, then the eye tracking feature might not work. To make the eye tracking feature most accurate, do this process accurately. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.